Just give us something, Hulk.
This morning, an absolute victory for Hulk Hogan in his invasion of privacy battle against Gawker. The jury siding with the former wrestler on all counts, awarding him $115 million. Finding against Gawker, its founder Nick Denton and former editor-in-chief A.J. Delario for posting a secretly recorded tape of Hogan having sex.
The plaintiff proved that the video was posted in such a manner as to outrage or cause mental suffering, shame, or humiliation to a person of ordinary sensibilities. Yes.
After the verdict, Hogan, whose real name is Terry Bollea, crying and hugging his legal team. Too emotional to speak.
Mr. Bollea is exceptionally happy. This is not only his victory today, but also anyone else who's been victimized by tabloid journalism.
Earlier in the trial, Hogan testifying Gawker's 2012 post turned his world upside down.
Completely humiliated.
The WWE star says he was filmed without his knowledge back in 2007 by his best friend at the time, shock jock Bubba Clem, who offered to share his wife Heather after Hogan's own wife Linda left him.
I was just so desperate. I went over there. One thing led to another. I just let my guard down.
Lawyers for Gawker arguing the site's journalists were covered by the First Amendment, since Hogan has long talked about his private life in public. Gawker vowing to appeal.
Given the key evidence and the most important witness in this case were withheld from the jury, we all knew that the appeals court would need to resolve this case.
Now, the judge would not allow Gawker to call that key witness, Bubba Clem, to the stand because Clem planned to plead the fifth. The jury is back here again on Monday when they'll decide on those punitive damages. Dan and Paula?
It's been a surreal trial from the start, to say the least. Lindsay Janice, we appreciate your coverage.